Welcome to our video series Quick Marketing and Business Tips, where we are giving you actionable advice, tips and recommendations to grow your business today. This is episode 30 and it's entitled What is Even More Important Than Marketing? So let's dive right in. In the previous episode, we discussed how important marketing is for any business and that it can literally mean the difference between the life and death of a business. But marketing can't do miracles on its own. But what do I mean by that? If we try to sell a product, service, or offer people don't really want, no matter how hard we try, how aggressive our marketing campaigns are, and how many endorsements and testimonials we present, we are doomed to fail. We need to create products and services that serve our target audience, not products that serve our business. We need to be focused on the end consumer. That's why we need to solve people's problems, add value to their lives, meet their needs with our products. People don't really need beautiful products that can't solve their problems or frustrations. They don't need shiny objects. They need products that fulfill their promises. They need services that can make their lives better and help them save money, time, and resources. We need to create valuable products that serve our customers and irresistible offers and packages that add enormous value to their lives. This is the first and most important step in business, and this is when marketing can do miracles. Throughout history, there had been examples of even giant and well-established brands that failed to deliver a good user experience, and all their marketing efforts flopped. We need to keep the end consumer at the heart of our product design and development process and create bonds of trust, because all customer relationships are built on trust. So, in essence, we need to create products that deliver massive value and actually help people move forward. When we design and offer these kinds of products, our product becomes our marketing. This is the base. This is where we should start. And this goes back to what we said in episode 6. Everything starts with research. Your target audience and their needs. It's not about us, the brand. It's about them and what we do to help them. That's it. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more about marketing a business, check out our private training workshops. Take care.